Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Before we begin this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video, where we're going to be looking at Litecoin, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will leave in the comment section below a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, analysis on the trades we are taking, and you can also visit the link which I will leave below to our website, which shows you results over the previous months and years of the trades we have given to our premium group, so you can see our success rate there. Also, before we look at the coin, obviously this week has been really affected by the situation with FTX, the exchange, and we've almost forgot that we've had really positive CPI readings during the week, real signs that the inflation is easing now. And we've seen obviously a bit of a rally in the stock market and other markets. And I really believe that had this not have happened with FTX, we'd have seen a bit of a rally in crypto this week as well. But of course, it's been held back by the bad situation there. So looking at Litecoin here first on the weekly chart, we can see that this area we've seen the bounce from this week is a really key level. And it has been for a number of years now. Going back to 2017, we can see it was the level of strong resistance for a number of weeks. It then broke out of this, back tested and confirmed as weekly support. It acted here as support in 2018 before eventually falling below. Was resistance again for a few weeks and it flipped it. So we can see a number of times as well here, 2020, it was strong resistance across this period here, flipped, and it kind of was the springboard for this move up as well. So what we're looking for is, if we get any more bad news about FTX, we're really looking for this level to hold. It was also the level, the close in June on the weekly level when it dropped on the sharp pullback, middle of June. Regained that, so it did close the weekly above that, and we've been trading this range ever since. So the level to look for there is the $47.85 area. Now also since June we can see we've had this really strong level of resistance at $63 area, and last week was the first time we've actually flipped it on the weekly. And had it not have been for this with FTX, then I have no doubt this would have gone on a bit of a rally this week. There's every sign that it could have made quite a strong move up towards $80-$90, but of course the situation means that wasn't to be. Having said that, it is one of the stronger coins since the move down. It has regained quite a significant amount of the drop, and if there's any chance in the remaining few hours it can flip this weekly resistance, then that's a really good sign for another bullish move. On the daily chart, I've marked the fib levels here, so I've run it from the June lows up to the highs of last week, and we can see how they're really playing out. We've got a perfect bounce on the move down this week from the 786 fib level, $47.50 area, which was a key level of support on the daily in July. We've since moved back up, and an area I'm looking at to hold on the daily is the 0.5 fib level, so around $56.85. If we can maintain this, then it gives us a chance to push on from here. We can see that was an area of resistance throughout October, and it's also been an area of previous support. So yeah, we do have an SR flip level here as well at $56.85. And on a lower time frame, looking at the 4-hour chart here, we can see that this almost has become that deviation here, because it has regained the EMA 200, which is the blue line here, which is a good sign for the short term. We can see that this is also an area of demand. So there's support in this area. Actually, we got a perfect bounce a few hours ago from the EMA 200, bounced right off of it. So that's sort of a confirmation that this is our level of support now. So maintain the $58 area, and there's every chance we can move up, assuming no more bad news, back up towards the $70 mark. For a longer term accumulation, then personally, another test of the $47 area and below is a good area to accumulate. I think this is a really strong coin, and I do believe in the long term I can see this $1,000 coin. The all-time high at the moment is $400, but this is one I think is a great coin to accumulate for the future. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Remember, trade safe this week. Obviously it is a difficult situation with FTX, so we just have to take the opportunities as they come, always use stop losses, and just keep going as we are. If you've got any requests or anything that you want us to look at for next week, please leave it in the comments section below and we will take that into consideration. Thanks for watching, guys.